Look at this guy! Oh, what's up, buddy?
How are you?
Yeah.
Hey man, just doing my thing. It's good, man. It's good.
Yeah?
Feel good. It's a beautiful day. Traffic through Fort Worth blows.
He's experiencing the lovely shit-ass Texas traffic.
Oh yeah, no bueno.
This guy right here is doing 2,000 miles, you guys. Dos, 1,000 miles, 36 hours. Wreck Riders Fun and SupportBikers.com. We're gonna hang out with him for, a couple of those miles.
We're about 645 miles in.
Let's not hold him up. Let's go!
Skip Place KC Mo. What's up? What's up?
Woo!